Well, hello there, I'm ready from your dinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making yet another pasta dish, but this time we're gonna make a spicy chickpea pasta. Simple and delicious. So, let's start. You can use dried chickpeas or pre-cooked ones like I'm using. In that case, drain the liquid and rinse them under cold water. Put them in a pan and add some dried or fresh rosemary. Add as much as you like, but I added around half a tablespoon. Also add in some olive oil and enough water to cover the chickpeas. Put them on a medium heat. In the meanwhile, boil some water for your pasta and add a good amount of salt to it. Cut 1 clove of garlic into small pieces. You can always add more if you're a fan of garlic. Put your pasta in the water and cook until al dente. While the pasta is cooking, we're going to fry the garlic clove in some olive oil. And to make it spicy, some chili flakes. I like to add a lot because, swelling is healthy. Fry the spices and add them to the chickpeas. Add a small amount of Parmesan cheese to the chickpeas to make it extra creamy. I forgot to hit the record button, but as you can see I added the cooked pasta to the chickpeas and stirred it around. Add it to a nice bowl and enjoy it with some extra cheese or chili flakes if you like. Enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you like this video. And of course, I see you in the next one.